The Celestron 2-inch accessory kit is an exceptional addition for telescope enthusiasts looking to enhance their stargazing experience with versatile eyepieces and filters. Packed with the 3 high-quality E-Lux eyepieces, this kit offers a range of focal lengths to suit various viewing needs, making it ideal for both planetary and deep space observations. The inclusion of a 2-inch Barlow lens effectively doubles the magnifying power of each eyepiece, providing astronomers with a wide array of viewing options. 5 colored filters are part of the package, enabling users to highlight specific features on planets, such as Jupiter's cloud bands or Mars's polar ice caps, offering a more detailed and immersive observation. The sturdy metal carrying case ensures that all components are well protected and organized, with additional room for expanding your collection of accessories. Celestron's long-standing reputation in the telescope industry, combined with their reliable warranty and support, makes this kit a trustworthy choice for both amateur and experienced astronomers.